Scientist reveals the most powerful cancer killer, jackfruit. Jackfruit is a special fruit that has specimens weighing up to 100 pounds. The fruit has a thick and hard shell and pale flesh and is very popular among vegans thanks to its incredible nutritional value. Jackfruit is very popular in Asia and is the national fruit of Bangladesh. This strange-looking fruit contains essential vitamins and minerals. A cup of jackfruit contains 25% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin B6. This makes it ideal for vegans who often suffer from vitamin B6 deficiency. Colorectal cancer is a type of cancer that affects thousands of people every year, with the numbers rising annually. According to the National Cancer Institute, it affects 1.17 million people in the USA each year, and most of the cases are fatal if not treated on time. Luckily, jackfruit can reinforce your immune system and help your body fight the terrible disease. Prevents colon cancer. Jackfruit contains lignans, saponins, isoflavones and phytonutrients which can fight free radicals in the body and can prevent different types of cancer and other diseases and conditions. Phytonutrients. Phytonutrients have powerful anti-cancer properties that can prevent the development of cancer cells. Jackfruit contains a high amount of these substances and is the ideal natural remedy against numerous types of cancer, as well as digestive conditions such as stomach ulcers. There are several studies underway currently to see how phytonutrients kill cancer cells. Saponins. Saponins are especially effective against colon cancer. They can induce mitotic arrest in leukemia cells, which can result in remission. Saponins work against cancer cells by binding to their outer layer and preventing their growth. Lignans and isoflavones. Both of the phytonutrients bind to receptors just like estrogens, and can significantly reduce the risk of endometrial cancer. A 2006 study that examined 500 women discovered that eating jackfruit regularly can reduce the risk of numerous types of cancer thanks to the presence of lignans and isoflavones. Protest cellular DNA. The antioxidants in jackfruit can fight free radicals in your system and protect your body from oxidative damage, which is often the source of cancer. Jackfruit contains fiber as well, which will clean your digestive tract and reduce the risk of colon cancer. Reinforces the immune system. Jackfruit contains a lot of vitamin C, which is crucial for the proper function of your immune system. The polysaccharides in the fruit can improve your phagocytic cell function and your immune system as well. Nutritional value. A cup of jackfruit contains 155 calories and 4 gr. of fat, and the fruit has almost no cholesterol, sodium and saturated fats. Besides vitamin C, jackfruit contains vitamin A, niacin, riboflavin, folate and thiamine as well as essential minerals. Finally, the fruit contains simple sugars that your body can benefit from, and a cup of jackfruit contains 11% of the daily recommended amount of fiber, which is great for your digestion.